everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 775 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the product that I chose, so I'm really excited about it. It's from the brand Awake, which I haven't heard of this brand or tried any products from them before. It's the Lip Therapy Lip Mask. And I just feel like lip masks are such a big trend right now, and I love it because my lips are so dry and lip masks have really been helping them. I just wish I'd started using them sooner. Now we're towards the end of winter and I really could have used this a few months ago. But so I was looking up the brand Awake online and I realized you could buy the lip mask at Ulta and it retails for $20, which that is actually the same price as the Laneige lip masks. So what I have here is the deluxe sample size. So if you have not seen my Ipsy unbagging that I did my Ipsy unbagging and my Ipsy Plus unboxing. I will have that video linked down below. But even when I was just looking up the Awake Beauty website, they have so many really cute products that sound so nice. A lot of skincare products. So I'm really excited about this brand. I love trying new brands. And this sounds awesome. It has antioxidant rich plant oils like argan, rosehip, and olive oil to hydrate and smooth your lips. Let's see if I get a scent. I actually don't get much of a scent. It's very faint. So we'll see when I apply it if I can smell it more. But it just looks so cute. It's like a nice pink shade. And it feels like a lip balm texture right now. So it says that you can apply this pretty much anytime your lips need moisture, but it is supposed to be for overnight. So I'm trying this right now, but I will also do a wear test of it overnight so that I can let you know how that works. Oh, I can get more of a scent now, where I can get that fruity scent that they were talking about. And I really like it. It's like a natural fruit scent, not like an artificial candy fruit, like more like a real berry scent. Kind of reminds me of juice. So that's really nice. All right, so I just did one little layer and it really just feels like applying some lip balm. And it's not even that shiny either. It looks like a lip balm, feels like a lip balm, but I think I need a little bit more because my lips are so dry. So let's add another layer. Yeah, it seems like the more I add, the shinier it looks. So now it's having more of a glossy finish. There we go. Now we've got a nice layer on my lips. And it looks pretty too. It looks like a nice lip gloss. There's some shine. I would describe it now as like a mix between a balm and a lip gloss. That's what it looks like and that's what it feels like on my lips, which I love that. I think this is a really nice daytime lip product because it's very hydrating, but it's flattering on the lips with that shine. So this just worn as a nice lip product is a great option. But I am also really excited to see what this does overnight for my lips. So I will put that in the description down below. I will write up my wear test results of how this lasted, how it hydrated and nourished my lips overnight. But this right away completely got rid of all of the chappedness on my lips. Like with that first layer that I put on before I added some more, like there was a lot of chapped skin on my lips and now it's completely gone. My lips look so much more smoothed out and I just love how they look. So I think I made a good choice choosing this as my product I would say this is exactly comparable upon first impressions with the Laneige lip mask. So we'll see how this is overnight, if it's just as nourishing as the Laneige lip mask that I had been using. But if you struggle with dry lips like I do, a lip mask has been such a great solution for me, so I highly recommend. If you've tried this lip mask out, I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. And I actually wish I had known about this when I was looking for a lip mask, because I knew about the Laneige lip mask, but they don't sell it at Ulta, so I ended up just going to Sephora to get it. But if I had known that this was sold at Ulta, this would have been a perfect lip mask for me to choose. So now I know, if you're looking for a lip mask and you like to order from Ulta, try this one. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.